In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send email to multiple recipients individually in Microsoft Outlook. If you want to send the same message to several people without showing everyone else's email address, Outlook makes that easy using the BCC field. This is a useful option when you want your message to feel more private and professional while also protecting your recipient's contact information. To get started, go to your Outlook inbox. Make sure you're on the main mail screen so you can create a new message from there. Once you're inside your inbox, look to the top left corner and click on New Email. This will open a fresh Compose window where you can build your message. Next, in the New Email window, find the to line. On that line, click on BCC. This enables the blind carbon copy field, which is the key part of this process. When you use BCC, each recipient receives the email without seeing the other people included in the message. That helps keep your contact list private and avoids long visible recipient chains. Now, type the recipient email addresses into the BCC field. As you do this, leave the to field blank. The important idea here is that the addresses should go into BCC so they stay hidden from the rest of the recipients. Be careful when entering addresses and double check them before sending to avoid delivery issues or sending the message to the wrong person. After that, type in your subject line and then write the body of your email. Keep the subject clear so recipients immediately understand what the message is about. In the email content, make sure your message is complete, easy to read, and suitable for everyone receiving it, since you're sending the same version to multiple people. It's also a good idea to quickly review your spelling, links, and attachments, if any, before sending. Once everything looks good, click Send. Outlook will deliver the message to everyone listed in the BCC field. Each person will receive the email individually from their perspective without seeing the other recipients. And that's it. By using BCC in Outlook, you can send one email to multiple recipients in a cleaner and more private way. It's a simple method that works well for announcements, updates, reminders, or any situation where you want to reach several people at once while keeping their email addresses confidential.